Hello, we are at 1605 Clay Street, the Wagner Building. This is a light and bright one-bedroom unit, 560 square feet. Right when you come in the unit door, you're in a entry hallway. Immediately on your left, you'll find an updated kitchen. We have a European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom, electric glass top stove, microwave up above, washer dryer, have a double farm style sink, there's a disposal there below, and a dishwasher. This floor plan does feature a nice pass-through to the living room and butcher block countertops. Okay, here is the thermostat for the unit. You'll see that there is a heater in each room. These are electric wall-mounted heaters. Okay, coming into the bedroom, we are facing Clay Street, roughly south by southwest. And it gets great natural light. Okay, nice big bedroom. You could do a queen size bed or smaller in here comfortably. Double closet. There is the heater for this room. Okay, coming into the living room. Beautiful crown molding detail here around the ceiling. Another nice big window looking out onto Clay Street. Heater for this room. Also have the breaker box there. Okay, wood floors throughout. Okay, here is the heater by the bathroom. Have a rain shower, shower head, subway tile surround. This cabinet here has an endless on-demand hot water tank. Okay, bathroom vanity, couple drawers here under the bathroom sink for a little additional storage. And there is a fan and a window here in the bathroom for ventilation. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please contact me to discuss an appointment or if you need help with the application. Thank you so much for watching.